Hi everyone, I want to make Hamburg steak today. I live in Germany and I think Hamburg steak is from Germany because the Hamburg is the name of the place in Germany. Japanese style Hamburg steak is a little bit unique because of the seasonings, I guess. So please check this out. 今日はハンバーグを作っていきたいと思いますが、ドイツに住んでいるので少しドイツでしか手に入らない、ドイツだから手に入るものを使って作っていきたいと思います。Today I'm making the Hamburg steak for 2 persons. 夫がドイツ人で肉食なので玉ねぎは少し少なめですが、玉ねぎはたくさんの方が美味しいですよね。パン粉は食物繊維、ミネラル、ビタミン、そしてタンパク質が豊富なドイツのディンケルというものを使っています。牛乳ではなくオート麦とアーモンドミルクを使ってます。Fry the onion until it gets golden brown. Soak the breadcrumbs with milk. Put the minced beef and egg and stir it with hands. Add the cooled down onion and mix it again. And add seasonings. Oyster sauce, soya sauce, salt, nutmeg, and peppers. Then mix it all. Remove the air from the meat by slamming against hands. Push and make an indentation in the middle. Put the lid on so that the heat will go through. To check if the heat went through, press the Hamburg and see the gravy.